Hey, wave to the camera, Mia.
Are you driving?
Hi. Hi, James. How are you?
Turn to your left a little bit. Left, your other left. Your other left.
Say hi.
Love you guys.
Huh? Yeah. No, how about my happy turn?
No, it's okay. I'm good.
2011, 4th of July. Say hi, Mia.
Hey, Mia, did you just drive a boat?
Wow.
How old are you? And you drove a boat?
Holy smokes.
Wow.
That's awesome.
And you got to drive a boat for your first time, right?
Yes.
A speedboat? I've never driven a speedboat, ever. And I'm 33.
25 foot, there's a fish at 27 foot.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, wow. Hey, you got that sonar?